next one is the same modify toolbar. Remaining some tools is over. Then next one is the offset. Next one is the offset. Command is O. Offset. Command is O. Command is O. Command is O. By using this command, we can prepare similar geometries. We can prepare similar geometries. With respect to specified distance. Now this is the offset with respect to specified distance. Now see here, offset tool. Okay, now the command is O, enter. That is the offset operation. Now first I am going to design one line here, just right. Now see here, now I am going to design one line here. Just I am going to design one line. Now length of the line equal to 400. Okay, again I am going to create similar object. Similar type of similar object with respect to some reference distance. Again I am going to design similar object with respect to some reference distance. Bottom side, again same thing. Top side, upper side. Again the reference distance is nothing but some 50 or 150. Now I am going to choose 150. Okay. Now O, enter. Specify the offset distance. Now I am going to specify offset distance equal to 150. Enter. Then select object to be. Now I am going to select this object to be offset. Then I am going to specify the side. Bottom side or upper side, any side. Now see here. Again select this one. Again next time this side. Again next this one to existing one to new one. Again this one to this one. Again this one to this side. Same thing with respect to other object with reference distance, with some reference distance. That is about the offset. Just add on. This is the basic. O, enter. Select. O, enter. Specify. Offset distance. Enter. Specify offset distance. Enter. Okay. Specify offset distance. Enter. Then select object to be offset. Offset. Next, specify the offsetting side. That is about the general offset operation. Again you can see different types of internal commands. O, enter. What are the internal commands? Again through arrays layer. Okay. Now see here, control on delete. Now again I am going to design offset with respect to one object with different values. Again now kind one. Before explanation is the all the objects with same values, 150, 150, 150. Again I am going to create with different values. For that purpose I am going to choose through option, through internal command. Now O, enter. What are the internal commands? Through arrays layer. First I am going to generate one parent element. Now this is my parent element. Now I am going to specify length equal to 200. Okay. Again apply the offset. What is the next point? O, enter. What is the next point?
specify offset distance.
That is the general procedure. That is the general procedure. O enter, specify the offset distance is the general procedure. Now, instead of that one, I am going to move with internal command through option. Internal command through option. Just you can select the through. Now select object to be offset. Now I am going to select this object. Okay, selection is over. Then you can specify the through point. Specify the through point. Now I am going to in this direction. Now directly you can specify the distance 50. Okay. Again select object. Again you can select the object. Again specify distance 25. Okay. Then again you can select this one. Again 10. Different values. Different. Again select in this direction 120. Okay. Again select this one in this side 10. That means objects with offset with different values. Now general procedure means O enter, specify the offset distance. Now this is the general procedure 10. Select this one, specify the offset side. Again select this one. What happened? Same distance. By using internal command through option, you can prepare offsets with different values. That is the use of the through internal command. Okay, just try. Next one. First write down the internal commands. Offset internal commands. Offset internal commands through arrays layer. Through arrays layer. Okay. Main heading through. Main heading is the through. By using through internal command. You can create offsets of selected object. You can create offset of selected object. By using through internal command, we can create offset of selected object with respect to different values. Okay, just start on the procedure. O enter, select object to just wait. O enter, select internal command as a through option. Select internal command as a through. Select internal command as a through. Next, select object to be offset. Select object to be offset. Next, to specify the direction of offsetting. Specify the offset direction by using cursor location. Next, specify the offset distance. Enter. Again further is the single. Again next same thing. Specify the direction. Again specify the value. Again specify the direction. Specify the value. That's it. Okay. Simple. That is about offset option. Next one is the arrays. Now see here. What is the use of the arrays option? Okay. Now first I am going to design one element here. Now this is the major element or parent element. Okay. Now I am going to apply the offset. Directly I am going to specify distance some 40. Select this one to this side. Now this is the child element. Now this is the parent element. Both will present in the design area. Now my requirement is after offsetting, you can erase the parent element. For that purpose, just Ctrl Z. Now see here. O enter. select internal command as a select internal command as a arrays. Currently what is the condition? Array source object is the no condition. Select as condition, then select specify the 100, specify offset distance, enter, then select object, then specify the new location. What happened? Deleted. Okay, that is about the offset with arrays. Just write down. By using arrays internal command, we can erase the parent element, we can erase 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 parent element, after completion of offset, after completion of the offset, okay, that is about the offset option. Again we have one more option, layer. After completion of layer concept, after completion of this concept, I will explain offset with layer. Again we have one more internal command here. Again O enter. Now I am going to specify offset distance 10, enter, select object. After selection, again we have some internal commands. Again we have exit, multiple undo. Exit means out of the command, undo means backward step. Again what is the different one? Multiple. Now what is the use of the multiple here? Now see here, just I am going to select the multiple. Now I am going to specify the now see here, specifying. Now I am going to design 10 objects. Now I am going to 10 objects. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. What happened? All 10 items, multiple items with same distance, one direction or any direction. Now see here, one more time.
Rectangle code is
any design, not only line, any design here. Okay, now see here, what is the use of the offset? Again offset with multiple important for civil plans. Now I am going to design the steps. While designing steps, we can create 20 to 30 steps. At that time, O enter, specify the distance, okay, 40 or anything. Now select object to be offset, okay, select object to be offset, then you can activate the multiple. My requirement is, now this is the first step. Again I am going to design steps in this direction, 10 total, 10 steps. So you can click 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
direct to 10 and value is there.
Problem. Okay. Again you can specify the number of steps here. That's it. That is the one more internal option. Just try that. At the time of creation of offset creation, we have multiple internal command. At the time of offset creation, we have multiple internal command. By selecting multiple internal command, 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 we can create multiple offsets of the selected object. By selecting multiple internal command, we can create multiple offset of the selected object by clicking every time. That is the
డిఫరెంట్ స్టెప్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు కొంతమంది స్టెప్స్ అన్ని సేమ్ వాల్యూ ఇవ్వరు కదా, కొంతమంది ఏంటి ఫస్ట్ ఒక దానికి 10 ఇచ్చి తర్వాత 8 ఇస్తారు.
అప్పుడు త్రూ ఆప్షన్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్గా ఎప్పుడైనా సరే దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ద ఆఫ్సెట్ ఆపరేషన్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, then again you can write down copy, just write down the copy, command is co, command is co.
స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ లెంత్ అంటే
check the plans now. Copy, okay na, command is co. Again you can see here, now I am going to design one arc or any type of design, co, enter, select object to be copy, next specify the
బేస్ పాయింట్.
base point. Now this is my base point of copying. Again you can create the new location. Again what happened, the current mode is the multiple mode, that's why I am going to create multiple copies. Now see here, same thing, copy command, co, enter, select objects to be copy, enter. Now mode, now I am going to mode changes to single, select the base point, then select the copying location. Again what happened, after creating single copy, the command is disable condition. Again copy, again how to design copies with respect to displacement value. For that purpose I am going to select copy object, select the base point. Again see here, now I am going to design one copy in this direction, 0 degrees direction. Again the distance between the copy is equal to 1000. Just specify the direction first, okay, then you can enter the distance, enter. Again how many copies, single. Why means mode is single mode. Again copy, now see here, now I am going to set polar 30 degrees, polar angle. Now I am going to create every 30 degrees location on copy. Again the distance between the copy with respect to base point is 1000. Now see here, I am going to delete these two. Okay, okay, now see this one. Now copy, select object to be copy. Now mode changes to multiple. Now select the base point. First one is the specify the direction, how many degrees, 0 first, distance equal to 1000. First one is over. Again you can specify the direction 30 degrees, okay. Again specify the distance 1000. Then again next one, next tracking 60. Again specify the distance 1000. Then again next one, same thing, specify the direction and specify the distance value. Next 120, specify the direction 120,000. That is about the offset creation with copy creation with multiple mode. Again next one more requirement. Now I am going to create 20 copies of this object in zero angle direction, okay. How to create that one? Now directly you can select 20 copies of this one in zero angle direction. Now you can same thing, copy, select object. Again you can set mode as a multiple. First select, specify the direction 0 degrees, then specify 2000. Next second item 2000 plus 2000, 4000. Next 6000. That is a long operation. Again we have one more internal command here. Co, enter, select object, and you can set mode as a multiple mode. Again you can select the base point. After selecting the base point, you have one internal command, array command. That is the array. Just you can select this one, specify the number of items to array. Now requirement 10, and which direction?
0 direction.
Now specify the 0 degrees direction. Then again distance between two copies equal to 1000. That's it. Test escape. What happened? Copy of single object, 0 direction, total number of copies 10. That is the process. Okay, that is about the copy option. Just written up to this one. CO enter. CO enter. Select object to be copy. Select object to be. Later I will explain how to copy from one page to another page, everything. After completion of the shortcuts and functional keys. How to copy from one page to another page. Again, this is the one page, first drawing page. Again, I have one more page, one more designing page. Now I am going to copy object from first page to second designing page. Later I will explain that one also. Okay, just right. Select objects to be copy. Enter. Select base point. Select base copying point. Select base point. Select base point. Next, select new point. Select new location. New copying location of new location. Specify the new location. Okay. That is about the general procedure. Okay. Then next one, the copy command having some internal commands. 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 What are the internal commands? Displacement, comma, mode. Displacement means with respect to distance, direct value. Displacement, comma, mode. Mode. Now you can write down mode option. By using mode internal command, 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 we can set copy modes. We can set copy modes, single or multiple, single or multiple, single or multiple. Okay, you can set as per your requirement. Next, specify the direction. Specify the direction. Specify the copying distance value. Specify the copying distance value. Enter. Again, write in one more point before specifying the
Direction.
yes, before specifying the direction. What is the by using mode internal command we can set copy mode, single or multiple. Then select object, select object, select object, enter, select object, enter, specify the base point. Then you can specify the direction and then you can specify the direction and then you can specify
Copying distance.
copying distance. Okay, that is the process. Okay now. Again see, again next one. For creating multiple copies in single direction. 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 Right. After selecting the base point, for creating multiple copies in single direction, After select the base point, we can select array internal command. After selecting the base point, we can select array internal command. We can select the array internal command. Specify the number of copy items, enter. We can select array internal command. We can select array internal command. We can select array internal command. Next, specify the number of copies, enter. Specify number of copies, enter. Next, specify the direction. Specify the direction. Specify the direction. Next one, specify the distance between the object, enter. Specify the distance between the objects, copying objects, enter. Specify the distance between the objects. Specify the distance between the objects, enter. Okay, that is about the complete copy operation. Okay, then next one. Now next one is taking long time, just wait. Next one, write down delete duplicate object. Delete duplicate object. Delete duplicate object. Delete duplicate object. What is the use of the boundary command? What is the use of the boundary command? By using boundary command, you can create duplicate objects. Now see here. Now I am going to design one rectangle. Again, circles here. Okay. Now I am going to apply the boundary. BO, enter. Pick point. Select this one. Enter. One duplicate creation is over. Again the boundary command followed by move command. Enter. Now creation is duplicate object creation is entire this design. All objects 1, 2, 3 or 4 duplicates. 4 we can create 4 duplicates here. But my requirement is only this one and this one. Enter. Then I am going to change the place from in this location to in this location. Again this design having 2 more duplicate objects with respect to this circle and this circle. Now you can create your, now you can delete your duplicate objects. Now we can delete your duplicate object. For that purpose you can select delete duplicate object. Delete duplicate object. Select this one. Specify the object's location. Enter. Okay. Over. Now only single element. Okay. Now I am going to apply the move command. Select this one. Point. How many options? How many objects here? Before applying the delete duplicate objects, total objects are 2. Now only one object. After applying the delete duplicate object, we have only one option. Again, what is the use of the delete duplicate object? Delete for 2D designing purpose, no usage. For 2D designing purpose, no usage. Again, after completion of the 2D design, you can convert to 3D. While designing 3D. Unfortunately, I am going to design 2 times of this circle. Unfortunately, I am going to design 2 times for this circle. Again, while applying 3D tools, we can select the 2D geometries. While selecting 2D geometries, we have some difficulty here. Okay, we have some that is about the. Now see here. Now I am going to design 2 lines here. Again I am going to design one more line with respect to this point. What happened here? First one. Again, where is the another one? Now this is the second one. Both are overlapping here. Now I am going to place only one line. Now one line is overlapping with respect to another line. Now I am going to apply the modify delete duplicate object. Just select this one. Enter. Same thing. Okay. Again what happened here? Again what happened? One overlapping object or segment deleted. Okay. Now For 2D purpose, no usage. While designing, while convert 2D design to 3D, at that time you have duplicate object, the selection procedure is difficult. For that purpose, while applying the 3D tools, first you can apply the delete duplicate object command of the entire design. Okay, that is about the delete duplicate object. Okay, just write down, simple thing. Select delete duplicate objects, select delete duplicate object, select delete duplicate object, select delete duplicate object. Okay, select delete duplicate object, select all the objects, select all the objects in the display, select all the objects in the display. No command. Select all the objects in the display, enter. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay na, simple operation. Then next one, just write down move option, move command. Oh sorry, move is over, already over. Just write down one more thing, blend curves. Move is already over. Okay, next write down blend curves. Next one is the blend curves, blend curves, blend curves. By using this command, command is blend, command is blend, blend. Total name is the blend curves, command is blend. By using this command, we can create a curve between, two splines or two lines or two curves. We can create a curve between two open splines or curves or lines, anything. Okay, now see here, now I am going to design one spline here. Again I am going to design one more spline. Now I am going to join these two. Just you can join these two splines by using what type of joining? Curve joining. For that purpose, select the blend curve, select the first one, select the second. Okay, then again I am going to design two curves here. Okay, again I am going to design one more curve in this direction. Okay, then next apply the blend curves between this one and this one. Okay, again what type of connection here? Curve connection. Again the curve tangent to existing design. Again how to, what is the connection procedure? Now the existing connection tangent to first curve, again tangent to second curve. Okay, that is about the blend curve. Okay, again see here, tangent connection, again in this location also tangent connection. Okay, that is about the blend curves. Just write down. Select blend, enter, or otherwise directly you can select from modify toolbar, tool as a blend curves, any operation, any process, blend, enter, select object, select joining objects one by one, select the first object, next select the second object, enter, select the first object, then select the second object. That's about the blend. Then next one, stretch command, stretch command is S. By using this command we can stretch the selected geometries. Again, one more important point, note, stretch the selected point of the object. Note, the selection must and should be window selection. Okay, the selection must and should be window selection. Now see here, now I am going to stretch this corner. What is meant by stretch? Nothing but pulling. Okay, now see here, just I am going to stretch this corner. For that purpose, now see here, S for stretch, enter. S, enter. S for stretch. Select objects to be stretched. Now what is the selection process? Selections must and should be window selection or cross selection. Now see here, instead of cross selection or window selection, directly I am going to select object. Instead of window selection or cross selection, now I am going to directly select the object, enter, select the base point. What happened here? Instead of stretching, move command will be applied here. Move command applied here. Again, S, enter, the selection in the format of direct selection. Enter, select the base point. What happened? Instead of stretching, move command applied here. Then next, now S, enter. Now this time I am going to stretch this corner. For that purpose, my selection is window selection or cross selection or drag selection, any type of selection. Okay, enter. Now select this corner point. Now this is the stretching. Again, same thing. Now window selection, enter, select this one. Okay, now with respect to this one, this end point, any selection, any type of process. Again, S, enter, this one. Okay, select the base point, specify the new location. Same thing for this one also. Select this one, enter, base point, specify the stretching location. Okay, again the selection motion should be window selection, cross selection or drag selection. Anytime, both are the same. Just write S, enter, select object, bracket, window selection or drag selection or window drag or cross selection. Okay, that is the important. Window selection or cross selection. Okay, enter. Okay, next select base point. Base point is nothing but your stretching point. Brackets, nothing but stretching point. Select base point, brackets, stretching point. So you can select point. Base point is nothing but the point to be stretched. Stretch point. Specify the new location. That's it. Okay. That is about the stretch operation. Okay. Then next, stretch is over. What are the balance? Fillet is balance. Chamfer is balance. Next, see here. just wait. That is rectangle with fillet chamfer. Now this is the general operation. Again see here 3D operations, solid editing, surface editing, mesh editing. Again all are related to 3D concepts. All are 3D concepts. I will explain those options in 3D. Okay. Then next one see here. Balance is fillet, chamfer, lengthen operation, scale, rotate and array. Okay. Now first you can write down scale rotate option. Rotate. Command is RO. Command is RO. Now see here. I am going to select one rectangle. Now I am going to rotate the existing rectangles. The command is RO enter. Select object to be. Rotate. Enter. Select the base point of rotation. Now this is my base point. Now I can specify the angle 45 degrees. Okay. That is the general procedure. Again RO enter. Next select. Just wait. Control J. RO enter. Select object. Enter. Select the base point. After selecting the base point, we have some. Again, we have some internal commands. One is the copy. Next one is the reference. Again, directly you can enter the angle value. Means we can rotate the select objects. Selected object. Okay. We can rotate the select object. First write down this process. RO enter. Select object to be rotate. Select object to be rotate. Select object to be rotate. Enter. Select base point. Next. Specify the rotation angle. Enter. Now see here. Now I am going to design one line here. Now what is the line angle? Now what type of line this is? Horizontal line. Horizontal line means 0 degrees. Now RO enter. Just wait. RO enter. Select object to be rotate. Enter. Now select the base rotation point. Now I am going to apply angle equal to 45 degrees. 45 degrees. What happened? The object turn 45 degrees with respect to horizontal. Now with respect to horizontal. That means reference angle equal to how much? Reference is the 0. Again you can turn object with respect to 0. Okay. You can turn object with respect to 0. Now reference angle equal to 0. Now see here, Control J. Now I am going to design one inclined line here. What is the inclined line reference? 30 degrees. By using polar, I am going to design one 30 degrees line. Now the angle of this line is 30 degrees. Now see here. Dimension. Select the angular. This one too. Now what is the angle? 30 degrees. Again I am going to rotate this object with respect to this line. Okay. Now I am going to rotate this object with respect to this line. Okay. Now RO enter. Select object to be rotate. Enter. Select the base point. Now you can use some reference. Now I am going to rotate this object with respect to this line. For that purpose, I am going to activate the internal command as a reference. What is the angle here? 30 degrees. You can directly enter here. Or otherwise, now you can know the angle. If you know the angle, you can directly enter the value here. or otherwise you can select the first reference point, select the
Next reference point.
second reference point. Okay, now I am going to rotating with respect to, I am going to rotate with respect to this line,
This line.
rotate with respect to this line reference. Now I am going to specify the 45 degrees. How much turning? What is the turn angle? Now I am going to enter 45 degrees. My reference is the 30 degrees. My reference is 30 degrees. My reference is, so rotate angle equal to 15.
అది 15.
15. Okay, 45 minus 30.
ఇంకా 30.
Okay, that is about the reference. Then next one, the usage is very small for all these one. The main explanation is between, this is the important, remaining all are the knowing purpose. Now the specific application also 1%, 1 or less than 1%. Then next one, RO enter, select object to be rotate, then again select the base point. Again you have one more internal command, copy.
Copy.
What is the use of the copy?
Original cover.
You can create one child element with respect to
Parent.
rotation option, with respect to rotation angle, with respect to, now this is the parent element. Again I am going to create rotate with copy. We can create one child element with respect to rotational angle. With respect to rotation angle, I am going to specify rotation angle 45 degrees. What happened? See here. Now this is directly rotation option. Again next, copy, select object to be rotate, select the base point, sorry, rotate, select object, select the base point, select internal command as a copy, select the angle 45 degrees. Again this is the original object. Now by using rotate copy option, you can rotate the geometry and also you can create one child element, nothing but copy object. That is about the rotate with copy. Just write down this one. Just write down the first internal commands. We have two internal commands, copy and reference. Copy and reference. First write down copy, and here is the copy. Next, RO enter, select object to be copy, select object to be rotate. Check copy and copy. Select object to be rotate, select object to be rotate, enter, specify the base point, specify the base point, specify the base point, specify the base point. Next, select internal command as a copy, select internal command as a base point, select internal command as a copy. Okay, select internal command as a copy, select internal command as a copy. Okay, next specify the rotation angle, specify the rotational angle, specify the rotation angle, enter. Okay, enter. That is about the copy. Next one is the reference. The default reference angle is 0 degrees. The default reference is 0. Okay, again you can change the reference with respect to our requirement, Next write down RO enter, select object to be copy, select object to be rotate, select object to be rotate, select object to be rotate, select object to be rotate. Next, enter, select base point, select base point. Next one, select internal command as a reference, select internal command as a reference, select internal command as a reference. Next, specify the reference angle, enter, just write down in brackets. If you know the angle, if you know the reference angle, directly you can enter the angle value. If you know the reference angle, you can directly enter the reference angle, you can directly enter the angle value. Otherwise you can select first and second point of the reference line. Otherwise you can select first and second end point of the reference line. Okay, reference line. Next, specify the new angle, enter. Specify the new angle, enter. Specify the new angle, enter. Okay na? Okay, just I am closing here. Tomorrow I explain the remaining.